Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the bank on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my town, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. In the upper bar and the upper corner, right corner of the screen, you can find the coins and the money icon. If you go to the coin icon, you can find the bank, and you can find different packs. And if you want money in this game, for example, you can buy it with real money. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.